Welcome to today's training on how to enter attendance in PowerSchool through PowerTeacher. In this video, you will learn about the three options for recording attendance: single day, multi-day, and then by seating chart. Let's get started. When you log into PowerTeacher, you will log in and land on the Start page. You will see here that the classes assigned to you are listed. In this instance, I have a homeroom, a second grade English, math, social studies, and science. Elementary school teachers will be responsible for recording attendance for the homeroom class to which they're assigned. The first option for recording attendance is by single day. The single day option is indicated here by a chair. To enter attendance, I'm going to click on the chair. Once I do that, you will see the students who are assigned to my homeroom are listed here. The system is defaulted that if each of these boxes are left blank, that the student will be marked present. So if every one of my students are in attendance for the day, I would click Submit and my attendance would be complete. However, for training purposes, let's explore the idea of having some students who may be absent or tardy. Let's take Jennifer Becker for example. She came into school late today. I'm going to mark her T for tardy. You will notice when I indicate something in the box here that a comment window appears. I'm going to click on that comment window because when Jennifer came into class, she did have a tardy slip that indicated that she was at a dentist appointment today. I'm going to indicate that in the comments box and click OK. Anthony Durbridge is absent today. I'm going to indicate his absence with an A. And his mother did send me an email that indicated that Anthony was sick today, so I'm going to indicate his comment with a sick. I click OK. My attendance is now complete. I would hit the Submit button either at the bottom or at the top to finalize my attendance for the day. Once my attendance is complete, you will see that a green dot appears through my homeroom section right by the attendance section. That indicates that my attendance is complete. Another way to record attendance is through the multi-day section, which is indicated by a grid today. We are not going to explore that option through the training video. However, your data manager or gradebook contact has more information on this feature. The third option, which we will also explore today, is to take attendance through the seating chart option, which is indicated with the chair and the grid. I'm going to click this option for today. You will notice when I come in that I have a list of students here that are indicated. Because I have already completed attendance for the day, you will see that Jennifer Becker has been marked tardy and that Anthony Durbridge has been marked absent since I've already indicated those earlier. However, in this particular section, I can take attendance based on how my students are seated in the room. The first thing I need to do, however, is actually set up the seating chart for my classroom. So you will see a tab here called Seating Chart Design. I'm going to click that and you will see that here I just have a list of the students. In real time, instead of in the training section where we are now, you will also see here a picture of Jennifer Becker. It will not be the standard 3 pictures that are pictured here. For this purpose, I want to actually set up my seating chart. So I'm going to highlight the students that are there, and I want to remove them. You will see here that the list of students now appears on the left-hand side so that I can populate them into what my classroom looks like. I'm going to add a teacher desk, which according to my classroom is on the right-hand side up against the back wall. I'm also going to add my interactive student board here, which is on the front wall in the middle. My classroom door is indicated here. It's on the left-hand side. And then now I want to assign students either based on rows, tables, or chairs. In this instance, I have my classroom set up in tables. I actually have 6 tables, and there are 4 students at each table, and there are only 2 tables across. You can see here a sample of what will appear once I click Add. There are 24 students in my classroom, so you'll see that indicated there. I click Add, and you will now see that I have this group of seats that now represent what my classroom looked like. I then can populate students into these seats by simply dragging them one by one and dropping them onto that section. Or I can have the system automatically populate seating assignments for me. So if I click this arrow here right by populate, you will see that I can sort them alphabetically. I can alternate them by male or female. I can randomize them. For this purpose, I'm going to randomize the students and click Add, and you will see that they have been randomly placed into seats in my classroom. To take attendance after the seating chart has been completed, I would click back. Well, first, actually, what I'm going to do is click Save. And if I had tried to navigate without saving, it would prompt me to save my seating chart. This seating chart also can be printed and left for substitutes that come in your classroom, which will be really beneficial for the sub because it also has pictures indicated for the students. To take attendance, again, I'm going to navigate back to the seating chart option. Just like in the single day option, the default for attendance, if it's blank, is to be marked present. But let's say that I do need to modify my attendance for the day, that Maria Carson was also absent. The comments box also appears here. I do not know why Maria is absent today, so I'm not going to make a comment about that. And once attendance is complete, I would then hit the Submit button. I can then go back out onto my start page, and again you will see the green button here indicating that my attendance is complete for the day. If you have additional questions or need further support with taking attendance, you should contact the gradebook contact at your school or the data manager.